Okay, so we're going to add another question type. Let's do fill in the blank. Okay. So we're going to do, you can have an optional question stem. So I'm going to do this. Okay, so there's my statement. I can then take that statement and highlight a word in the statement, click create a blank space, and so it takes the answer that I put in, which was correct. So this is set to open entry. So the student would have to produce the correct word. So you can set text matching, say it contains the right word, is close enough, in which case you can set how close it has to be. So in this case, the Levenstein distance means how many individual edits would have to be made to make this a correct answer. So if we put 2, that would mean that 2 letters would have to be changed in order to accept it as a correct answer. You can also do an exact match, specific answers, so I could add additional correct answers, or regular expression. Now, if I don't want my students to have to produce the word itself, I can set it to a drop-down or a word bank. These are basically the same thing. So I'm going to set a word bank, and so we'll put some incorrect answers in here. And I can add additional options if I like. So I don't need an on-screen calculator. I can align it to outcomes. And if I want to, I can add this to an item bank. Again, if you add it to an item bank, be sure that you make the question name unique enough so that you can find it in your item bank. So I'm going to go ahead and I can set the number of points this particular question is worth, and I may choose the types of feedback that I want. I can put in feedback for a correct answer. I can put in a prompt for an incorrect answer. I can also put a general feedback that pops up regardless of the response. So I'm going to click Done on this. Now let's see what that looks like from the student perspective. Let's go ahead and preview this question. And I'm going to scroll down to this. So with a word bank, I can choose the answer to put there, and then once I have answered, press Submit.